What up, guys? Here's the fuel pressure regulator. I'm just gonna kind of show what I've done real quick, since I haven't seen a whole lot about switching it out, at least on the 98 tag. Basically, you want to unhook the negative, then open the gas cap, and then you can put it back on. Then you want to put a bunch of rags around here just in case. And you want to take a 19 mil and a 17 mil. And this is your banjo bolt on the fuel filter, which I've already done. You crack that loose. And I had some rags down. I didn't spill anything, but just put some rags down. So crack that loose, relieve the pressure. Then you want to take a set of your pliers. There's a thingy here. I've already moved it, but it's right here. So just get that out of the way. Right. Then you're looking at 2 10 mils. Oh, also you have this little hose. So just unplug that, unfasten that, take these 2 10 mils off. I'm gonna take this off real quick. Well, now you want to put something down too, because there is fuel gonna be in the rail right here. I didn't spill any, but I'll show you what's under there. It's better to have rags and shit down. Wear gloves too, maybe. So you'll see there's a little bit of fuel residue, because there's gonna be fuel right there. So be careful, don't be smoking cigarettes. See? And I'll be right back. I'm not gonna one-hand it. So when I pulled that off, there was a little bit of gas inside of this, so be mindful of that. Thing looks pretty good. Let's look at the O-ring on this. So I don't know for sure if this is even the problem, but since it's so easy to get to, I ordered another one off my buddy Roger Whitham, Integra hub. This one maybe looks a little rougher than my own, but this one has 327,000 miles on it. I also have another one that was refurbed. So yeah, basically all you do is probably a good idea to check this hose while you got it off. And always make sure your O-ring is good. But yeah, that's really all there is to it. All right, 2.2. Let's see what all the other ones weigh, just to see. So I think they're all legit, at least if you are curious. Should be around 2.2, 2.3, 2.4-ish. 91391 SV4 000 is the O-ring size, if anyone's curious that just wants to swap that out. All right, 8.7 foot-pounds of torque. It's saying, it looks to me, 25 foot-pounds of torque on that banjo bolt. gonna put this down, be back. All right guys, the battery's fastened back down, 25 foot-pounds on the fuel filter banjo bolt. We're good to go. Got this used OEM fuel pressure regulator. This little piece is plugged in, this little piece is tight, the hose is on. We're at 8.7 foot-pounds of torque. We got it all cleaned up, no fuel. That's it. Let's see if it starts. So the computer's gonna probably have to relearn, but we'll see. I don't know if it's the pressure regulator, but just switching it out, I can add it to the list of shit that I've done. Make sure there's no fuel. All right, let's see what this thing does. Well, it's not the fuel pressure regulator.